Hello and welcome to this video. It's about SAP Business AI and how you can use that in S/4HANA or basically every ERP business process you can imagine. We created a demo that uses S/4HANA and the event add-on from ASAPIO in its SAP version to send out a purchase requisition item into a build process workflow so that the user can interact with an AI to optimize the short description of this purchase requisition. For that, we created the event message definition on S/4HANA. I opened up the system here and you see we send out only basic data from a purchase requisition. So not the full record because we don't need the full record, okay? And so we created this event in the backend system, and now we registered it here in SAP Build. I'm not showing how to set up the event mesh broker and creating the topic there because that's just a generic task, not hard to do. But this is basically the inbound channel to get the data into Build and use it in the process flow as a trigger for the user interaction, and also to provide the data of the actual purchase requisition into this process flow. And what it does, I'd like to show you with an actual process here. I'm back in S/4HANA and I've opened a purchase requisition here. So let me put a description here. See, there's the item description field. Let me write party tent. So we want to have that very generic text optimized so it's more informative for purchasers, for suppliers. So I'm applying this change and I will save this purchase requisition. And because we hooked up this event to any change of a purchase requisition now, this already triggered the workflow in process automation and creates an entry here in my inbox. And the inbox, gives me the result of the Gen AI process that we put in between. Okay? So it should have a max length of 40. It should be more descriptive. It should assume more details. And so what it did, it created from party tent as an input, it created 10 by 10 feet outdoor event tent. So if I like that optimized text as the end user, as the requester, I can press accept, and now the process flow takes care that this is now updated. We're using the OData API for the purchase requisition to update that. And now when I go back and reload the purchase requisition in S4, we should have this optimized text right away. So you see here, now it's 10 by 10 outdoor event tent. And this is just a basic example. You see, it's not hard to create that, just a few steps. And we only used SAP software to do that. So it's Event Mesh, it's SAP Build, AI Core, Gen AI Hub. Also, it's sufficient to use the SAP version of the ASAPIO add-on to create that. And so this is just one example, and we can imagine thousands of processes that can benefit from using AI. So please feel free to reach out. We're happy to discuss your use cases anytime. Thank you.